You want to fix everything, your habits, your sleep, your money, your mood, but every time you try, it feels like standing at the bottom of a mountain with no map. So you freeze, you scroll, you distract yourself, and deep down you wonder, where do I even start? Here's the truth. You don't need to fix everything. You just need to fix one thing, and it doesn't have to be big. It just has to be real. Start with what you can control today, even if it's small. Not your whole routine, not your entire life plan, just one thing. Start by making your bed. Start by drinking water after you wake up. Start by going for a 10-minute walk without your phone. Start by writing down what's in your head. Start by sleeping before midnight just once. Life does not get better from massive overnight change. It gets better when you create momentum. Because when you do one thing, you are more likely to do the next one. Make your bed, feel better, clean your desk. Clean your desk, open your laptop, write that email. Write that email, feel productive, go for a walk. Momentum is quiet but powerful. Start with what's bothering you the most. Is it your body? Move it gently daily. Is it your mind? Journal it out. Talk to someone. Is it your time? Track one day. Find where it is leaking. Is it your phone? Leave it in another room for 1 hour. You don't need perfect discipline. You don't need a 5-year plan. You need a starting point and consistency. Start small, start easy, start tired, unsure, unmotivated, but start anyway. Because once you do, something shifts, and that small shift, repeated, creates a new path, a better day, a better week, and slowly a better life.